Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2007 Honda CBR600RR. This bike has just a little over 19,000 miles on it and is still in excellent condition, even with a light tip over on the left-hand side. It's got some nice aftermarket accessories on it, so let's take our walk around it. I'll show you what it's got, what I found, and then we will fire it up. Comes with a dark tinted windscreen. Front tire still in excellent condition, got plenty of miles left on that. Excuse me. Comes with flush mount fronts, adjustable levers, aftermarket bar ends, frame sliders, tank pad, gas cap cover, stand spools. Got a few little boot scuffs here on the edge of the right side of the tail. It also has an aftermarket exhaust. Back tire is going to be replaced. It also comes with a fender eliminator with aftermarket rear signals. So the tip over on the left did some scrape damage here to the tail, which they've touched up already. A little bit here on the exhaust cover and the spool. We've got a small scrape here in the gas tank, but the frame slider did its job, saved these fairings here as far as I can tell, so I don't see anything really on them. And again, adjustable levers, aftermarket bar ends, flush mount front signals. So like I said, the tip over on the left is pretty minimal. You know, it's just cosmetic. And thank goodness for frame sliders. Alright. 19,131 is what's on this bike. This CBR600RR will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own the sport bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course your accessories. Thank you for shopping Simply Street Bikes. Anyone.com